Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Office 365 or the Outlook desktop app is installed and you're signed into your account. This ensures permissions and profile access. Once done, prepare Excel with a single header row and consistent contact columns. Save the workbook. Now open Word and start Mail Merge, choosing Use an existing list and point to your Excel file. This links records to fields. Make sure to pick the correct sheet and table so fields align properly. Next, you map fields so Word can pull data into your message. Insert merge fields where names, addresses, or custom data belong. This tells the system how to populate each email. Once mapped, test conditional fields for missing values or alternate salutations so recipients don't see blanks. Preview results to scan several rows and confirm formatting. When satisfied, complete the merge to create individual items. This prepares each personalized message for the final export to Outlook. Finish by sending the merged messages through Outlook. Choose Mailings, Finish, and Merge, then send email messages. Pick HTML or plain text and set the subject line, making sure you selected the column that contains recipient emails. Once sent, Outlook queues and dispatches them using your active account. If recipients are missing or errors appear, make sure Excel's email column has valid addresses, relink the sheet, and, if necessary, repair or restart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.